Hello class, my name is Carlos Alvarado. This is week number 6 for MPA 560 and this will be about research design. Quick outline, we're going to go ahead and talk about the program. We're going to see if it's a qualitative or quantitative research. We're going to see if it's experimental or quasi-experimental. We're going to talk about the design of the program evaluation, the methods of collecting data, and from who the data will be collected from, also known as sampling. And then we'll go ahead and close it with a closing statement. The program that we will be looking at is Homeboy Industry Workforce Development Program. This program is intended to provide job training for ex-gang members or people that have been previously released from prison or jail, and it's intended to do job training so they could return back to being contributing members of society. Our program evaluation will be conducting a quantitative research. The reason we are doing quantitative research is because quantitative research looks at numbers and tries to measure variables, while qualitative seeks to have interviews, open-ended questions, and it's just trying to get more of ideas of how people could relate to like a society. And when quantitative is more seeking number-based and correlations between each variable. We're trying to see what kind of experiment, if we're going to be having experimental design or quasi-experimental design. And our program evaluation will be doing a quasi-experimental, and the reason is because quasi-experimental does not rely on random assignments, and so we will be choosing where the participants are put into. We're going to be putting them into categories, and our categories will be ones that have completed the program and ones that have not completed the program. The design type that we will be looking into will be a post-test of project and comparison. So we will start after the test of if the individual completed the program or not, and we're going to be comparing it from people that have completed the program and people that are not completed. So we will have two different groups, and we will be comparing after post-tests, and that will be our design. So our program evaluation, we will be getting methods of collecting the data would be interviewing participants in the program of the workforce program for the Homeboy industry. We can also have questionnaires and surveys that they can complete if they decide to complete it for us. We can also do secondary data collection, like we can look into the sheriff's department's arrest records and see if the participant has been arrested within that time. And we can also view document or content analysis to get any other information that we would need. From whom will we collect the data from, or who will we be sampling from? Ideally, we would try to use a simple random sampling, but that would give us everyone gets a number, and then everyone has an equal chance to be picked into our research. But based on our participants, not everyone's going to be willing to participate. So I think the best would be doing convenience sampling, and convenience sampling basically will take anyone or anybody that wants to participate, and we will use that information for the sampling. It won't give us the best representation, but it would give us still a chance to be able to evaluate the program. I would just like to say thank you for watching my video, and have a great weekend and have a great rest of the week.